Hey crypto enthusiasts, are you also attempting to become a millionaire? If so, and you're simply attempting to come up with some new coins, then you're in luck because we're here introducing this whole new coin that will surprise you. If you're curious to know what this coin is, then remain with us until the end and you'll find the explanation yourself. So welcome back to the channel where, as usual, we help people understand crypto and reveal it to you in a simple format. Today we'll explain everything to you. Before starting out, please subscribe to our channel now, and smash that bell icon. First, I'm going to give you a short concept of Hedera HBAR and what the Hashgraph is so that you get a better understanding. Hedera HBAR is an open-source, enterprise-grade cryptocurrency that allows anybody to create decentralized applications, dApps. Hedera HBAR uses Hashgraph, a unique ledger technology that enhances performance, cost, and scalability, rather than the typical blockchain. 10,000 transactions per second are guaranteed on the platform. HBAR, Hedera's native token, serves two purposes in the ecosystem. HBAR improves Hedera services like smart contracts, file storage, and recurring transactions while also safeguarding your network and platform integrity. It is now the world's 33rd largest cryptocurrency, with a market valuation of more than $2.1 billion. Now we are going to discuss BAR, so let's take a look at BAR, which are Hedera's tokens. They have high scalability with a transaction rate of 0.001 seconds per transaction, which is extremely quick. Furthermore, the transaction cost for Hedera is so cheap that it may even be deemed inconsequential on the Hedera network. With a 0.0001 transaction cost, 10,000 transactions may be completed every second. Isn't Hedera also unique in that it accomplishes the same result as the most widely used public blockchains like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but in a method that is quicker, more energy efficient, reliable, and secure? Do you know that Hedera's aim is to establish a safe and secure online environment in which people can work, play, buy, sell, create, and interact socially? If you want to do any digital activity, simply go to Hedera. So, not only are Hedera Governing Council members building on the network, they're teaming up and collaborating, and we see Hedera bouncing up all over Twitter. It's different projects going on. The new GBB Council report shows IO builders are using Hedera to trade bonds using tokenized cash. So here's the thing, Hedera, they're teaming up and collaborating, and we see Hedera is just everywhere. It's bouncing up all over Twitter. Now let's talk about the future aspect of Hedera Hashgraph, which is also important, and I hope you people want to know about this. The price of the Hedera Hashgraph cryptocurrency appears to have a bright future. HBAR will be burned in a phase-by-phase procedure to promote stability and minimize market swings. The HBAR model is designed in such a way that it does not support smart contracts and instead relies on the Byzantine fault-tolerant (BFT) consensus mechanism, which employs multiple nodes such as validator nodes, witness nodes, accelerator nodes, and other types of nodes to aid in the transaction, validation, and authentication processes at various stages. HBAR establishes a flawless opportunistic framework in which other virtual tokens may be exchanged. The HBAR platform, cryptocurrency, and mobile app accept a range of credit and debit cards. So, you could say that Hedera Hashgraph is great for building decentralized applications all over the world since it has features like controlled file changeability and time-based file expiration. Hedera Hashgraph will be able to conduct more than 100,000 transactions per second, making it a true competitor against Visa and mass-market payment systems. As a result, the Heathrow network currently performs 6.5 million transactions per day with an average transaction time of 5 seconds, easily surpassing Ethereum's 1.2 million and Bitcoin's 200,000 transactions combined. Now let's talk about price prediction for Hedera Hashgraph in 2022, which is also an important point to cover. Given that there are no surprise jolts or a rocky route ahead for cryptocurrency markets, Hedera Hashgraph is poised to reaffirm its solid position as the main attraction among its investment community, according to Hedera Hashgraph projections. According to the HBAR projection, the road ahead is full of flowers if investor confidence continues to rise, culminating in a big push in the price, pushing it over all obstacles to 44 cents. Now that we've reached the end of this video, we'd like to thank you all for sticking with us to the end. Don't forget to let us know what your thoughts are on the Hedera and HBAR tokens, and if you're willing to invest in them, in the comments section. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of all future videos from us, including upcoming videos.